to Fahad MJ channel, the channel for future scientists and historians. Before starting the video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming video. Thank you. Dracula, as this word's imagination comes in our mind, a fictional horror character known for sucking fresh blood and the night evil. But there existed a Dracula, not a fictional vampire like novels and movies, but the real-life Dracula, who's one of the most cruel and brutal person ever born, was used to enjoy to torture the people in different ways. Vlad III, also known as Vlad Dracula. His name Dracula was given by the name of his father, Dracula. Dracula comes from the Romanian drac, meaning devil, which itself derived from the Latin word Draco, which means dragon. So the Dracula means the son of dragon. His father Vlad Dracul became the ruler of Vlachia in 1436, which is a part of today's Romania. Vlad III and his younger brother Radu were held as hostages in the Ottoman Empire in 1442 to secure his father's loyalty. Vlad's father was murdered after John Hunjadi, the regent governor of Hungary, invaded Vlachia in 1447. John Hunjadi started a military campaign against the Ottoman Empire. Vlad broke into Vlachia with the Ottoman support, but couldn't succeed, so later he went to Hungary. After a few years, in 1456, Vlad invaded into Vlachia with the Hungarian support. He conquered Vlachia, where he made new castle and more army to get strength. And now it was the time for revenge. He started to seek his enemies, to punish them and kill them in brutal ways. It was the time when he had settled the unforgettable records of cruelty and brutality in the history of mankind. His favorite mode of execution was impalement, one of the most brutal ways to kill, which takes up to 2 days in extreme pain before you die and the body slowly gets cut down on victim's own weight. It was such cruel that he used to enjoy the sight of victims' death in extreme pain. He didn't even hesitate to dip his food into the blood of people and eat it. Regardless of gender and age, he punished everyone who ever did anything against him or his rules. We can imagine his cruelty by the incident that once he impaled a woman with her infant on her belly on a single spear. It is estimated that it took about 100,000 of lives. Due to such brutal mode of execution, we get to call Vlad the Impaler. In fact, he was worse than the fictional Dracula. After getting into the power, he turned against Ottoman Empire and refused to give taxes. He started attacks on Turk villages. He killed many people, impaled them and burned their houses. Ottoman Empire's Sultan Mehmed II ordered Vlad to pay him homage personally, but Vlad had 2 of his envoys killed and impaled. Sultan Mehmed II started a campaign against Vlachia to replace Vlad with his younger brother Radu. Vlad attempted to capture the Sultan in the night, but he failed instead he attacked on Vezir Pasha's tent by mistake. Vlad retreated from the battle against Ottomans in 1462. He impaled and put on display about 20,000 people outside the city of Targovis as a deterrent to pursuing the Ottoman army. The sight was so repulsive that the Mehmed II and the major Ottoman army turned back while the Radu and some army men stayed there. Vlad's younger brother Radu converted to Islam as Ottoman's teaching had great impact on him. He acted on Sultan Mehmed's plan and more Vlachian deserted to him. Vlad went to Transylvania to seek assistance from Mathis Corvinus, the king of Hungary of that time in late 1462. But Corvinus had him in prison. He held in captivity from 1463 to 1475. He was released at the request of Stephen III of Moldavia in the summer of 1475. He fought in Corvinus' army against the Ottomans in Bosnia in early 1476, but after about a year he died before 10 January 1477. And guess what? His head was cut off, impaled on a stick, presented to Ottoman Sultan. At the end, he got what he served. If you've liked the video, please like, comment and share it with your friends and family. Also join me on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram and Twitter. This is Fahad signing off. Take much care of yourself till my next video. Goodbye.